tomato, cut like this. I have no idea why, but this is what my mom's taught me. There's something with the skin of it or something like that, and you're just supposed to take it and rub it like anywhere on your knees, elbows, face, neck, back, your entire body. And trust me, it burns, it burns a lot. So that's when you know that it's really doing its job, which is removing your tan. So that's really helpful. Now one more thing that I do sometimes when I have like a lot of time on my hands and all of that. So this is some yogurt, home, this is not like packaged yogurt or anything, this is just like set at home. There's that. Now take some lime. Let me show you guys. And keep this here. I love lime. I eat it like all the time. And you squeeze it in this. So I don't know, there's something about it being acidic and some base and something, I have no clue what. But your skin looks really good after this. And it's a good anti-aging, skin tightening remedy. I don't know why I know of it at this age. But it just gives you this glow, which is nice. So yeah, I've squeezed that. Also diet-wise, I think just eating a lot of lime. I eat about 3-4 lemons a day. I just love lime. People find it weird, but that's fine. So there's some special honey that I've got from New Zealand when I was traveling, and it's supposed to be really good. So I like buying good honey, but honestly anything's okay. This much is good enough. You don't need to use too much. Now put this, it's gonna be a bit sticky, but yeah, just do that. Mix it. Smelling a bit tasty, but I can't eat it. So yeah, once it becomes like this, you can just apply it again wherever, on your face, neck, hands, legs, whatever part you want to sort of just give a nice glow to. I'm going to show you a little bit. Just take some on your hands and yeah. So it's light. You can leave it on for about half an hour or something. This also burns a little bit, but because it has lime. So you can leave it on for about half an hour, have like a nice shower after this, moisturize your skin, and it just feels really good. Somehow I think that the lesser you do to your skin, the lesser artificial products you use is better, because they all have fragrance which is artificial, and that's not good for your skin, it's really damaging. So it's nicer to use these things. They're cheaper, they affect you more, and yeah, these are like home remedies, so it's always nicer to use stuff like this. But one thing that you should definitely do if you don't want to do any of this is use ice. Trust me, it works wonders, because it closes your pores. Living in a city like Bombay with so much pollution and heat, your pores just open up, but with ice, like, it all gets closed, and then you look like you have porcelain skin and all of that. So that's really nice.